ready? You don't know pretty much, right?
I don't know anything.
I don't know anything either, bro. You scared me, bro.
You just have to pull this shit good. All right, everybody. What? What's up, everybody? Amauris Hernandez here. That's you my name, Amauris. And today we got Benji from Shutter Guru, Noel from S Generation Studios, and it's Mari. Yeah, that's himself. So we're gonna do a challenge. These guys don't know what's going on unless they only know it's related to photography. But I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 modifiers. So I got a random generator that's gonna pretty much decide what modifier you choose. But here's another twist. I got 3 lights: Explorer, 80-200, and a speed light. So whatever they get with the modifier and the light, that's what they have to work with. And they have 5 minutes to work with it as well. So
do we have to carry our own thing?
No. We're gonna help you.
Okay, cool.
But once you say your location,
yeah.
Time starts. Alright, you wanna go first?
24, perfect.
Yeah, 24.
La ganaste ahí, jefe.
Okay, wait. Okay.
There
one time, wait. I put light here right now.
8200. I'm fine with that. Why, Lord, why?
I got the 8200.
Alright. Wait, so who's first?
Rock, paper, scissors?
Rock, paper, scissors.
Estilo Shutter Guru?
Estilo Shutter Guru.
Alright, you good?
All 3 and then until. Alright, let's do this, man.
Wait, the first one out goes first, right?
Alright, wait, first one out goes first? First one out goes first. Jesus, alright.
Hey, rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Bam, bam. So, y'all go against each other, I don't have to go first. I want to go first. Y'all gonna take the best spots.
So you want to go first?
Huh? See what go? Nah, I'm good.
You're first. Your system, what are you gonna use?
Using an 85 Godox trigger, Sony A7 III.
Your time starts now.
All right, let's go walk this way. Oh, speed light. All right, I want you to do that pose, but can you switch it to this side? Is that possible? Yes, ma'am. There you go. All right, now I want you to look at me like somebody went to the club and went to talk to your boyfriend. You mad as hell, you about to punch you in the face, all right? So like, yeah, I want that. You know, I want that energy. You feel me? I got it.
Still got 2 minutes to spare.
I got it. No need for more time.
You sure?
I'm positive.
When?
Let's go, Bobby. There you go.
No cut. Try it again. Try to. You remember me of the guy that looks like O.J. Simpson on The Simpsons? Hey. I like how the person with the timer is like all the way down there.
Right? Like that.
You're
good. You got 3 minutes.
Okay. Take a seat here.
2 minutes and 30 seconds.
Sit there.
Are you gonna make her? Yo, can you just lay on this puddle and make sure that
Hey, 1, 2, 3.
I'm still mad he has the best setup out of all of us, bro.
How do I have the best setup?
Me and you at the same time, what are you talking about?
Yeah.
Oh wait, did it? Oh yeah.
That nigga's tripping.
Can I steal your 20 seconds?
No. If not, I could have still his 2 minutes left.
I have a bad vibe about this shoot. I feel a little nervous. It's the whole humidity, you know. It's messing with the energy around me.
You done?
Okay.
Alright, your time starts now.
Alright, let's go to that door.
Wait, we could use these props?
That's hers, yeah.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Yo, can you help me?
If you could just stick out just a little bit more.
Okay.
Yeah. Like you're coming out of the closet. See?
You got 2 minutes and 51 seconds.
Damn, already? Okay, I was messing with the light. I have no strap.
That's what she said. This Maddie, what do you think so far?
It's pretty.
We're gonna go against this wall. We're gonna try to get that red. Bro.
Can I
That'd be
switch
nice
lens
and
in between the 5 minutes or no?
Your call, you got 5 minutes.
Can you what?
Yeah, bro, you got time. Start the timer.
Oh, that's what I start.
Start.
No, once you touch that pole, it starts.
Start the timer.
All right, time
Actually, you know what?
starts.
I lied.
Well, time starts now, so you're thinking too much.
All right, you know what? Just go over there. It is what it is.
Just so you guys can get an idea how big this modifier is.
That shit's huge.
It's almost
a
as
little bit
tall
higher,
as Mari. And she's 5'6".
I wish. 5'4".
5'4". Oh, the heels.
Yeah.
And it's a 5-footer, so 5'4", 5-footer.
And I want you to do this one thing. Use a good model. Oh my God. Now I want you, yeah, there you go. Arm a little bit loose on the, yeah, there you go. A little bit more down, just a little bit more, a little bit. There you go. Stay right there.
Put it up in the pallets.
Put her up in the pallets. How much do I have?
18.
Timer starts now.
What can we do? What can we do? What can we do? Bring your head down a little bit so I can see like the top of the head.
Okay.
You know what? Let's move back so I don't have to Photoshop the cars. Go over here. You get more much. For like 30 seconds. You good. Back
I'm
up.
good. Here?
Sí, ahí está bien.
Oh,
You're done, sir.
I don't hear the alarm.
You're done, sir.
I don't hear the alarm.
0. You're done.
Oh, yo, with that modifier, it's more work because you have to move around. Thank God it's not windy.
Sure, look at the size of this thing compared to him. This is huge.
I'm like 5'7", so that's like right here.
Hey, nah, man, you're like 7 feet tall. Stop
This is,
lying to
the
the people.
doctor said 5'7", okay?
for his license. Driver's license says.
Well, I put 7.5. All right, so you ready?
Yep.
Dale. Remember, you got props too.
Oh, yeah, hold on, I'll get it. I'm much faster.
By the way, guys, Benji's using the A7 III with the Sigma 35 E-mount.
Yeah, it's gonna be nice and sunny today. You can sit
The
down.
same setup as mine, but I have the Canon mount.
Head back just a little bit. Like, yeah, not a big fan of that, but we tried it.
2 minutes.
Right here, in between these two trees. This one I want like yeah, like leg spread, like I don't know, like woman power. Get it? Yeah, feel like.
Superwoman,
woman.
Like what?
a strong woman pose.
Yeah, like, that's cool like that. I'm gonna go low.
All right, guys. So,
Amauris, why you got so much gray hair then? Just answer that for your channel. Why you have so much gray hair? Tell them.
That'll come in the next video.
Thanks for
All right. So Benji, what you thought about this challenge?
It was fun. It was amazing. It made it super easy that I didn't have to tell Lismani anything. She just automatically knew what to do. Fabulous. And no, it was fun. It was challenging.
Noah, what you thought?
I'm sweaty.
It's really
tired,
humid. It's
but
humid.
the most challenging part was the location. I could say she did a phenomenal job. Like hands up, like for real. Like little to no talking. Like she already knew what we needed, so she was great with that. But the location was really rough, which I give props to you because you challenged me OD today, man. So.
Miss Maddie, what you thought about this challenge?
I like the, the speed that you guys are going. I like them, I'm being helpful to you guys. And then, I like to do it again. I like it. I think it's pretty cool. I never, you made it up? Or there's something going on?
It was already done, but I haven't seen it with all camera, with the lighting.
Oh, okay.
I haven't seen it.
So you made that?
I added that my taste to it, so hopefully.
That's Amauris' way.
Hopefully I'm the first one. I don't want, people go, you're not the first one. Who gives?
Okay.
I'm not the first photographer, so it doesn't matter. So yeah, if you want to see her back, if you want to see them back in this channel for another challenge, comment down below, like and subscribe, and share this video. So let's get the word out. Peace.
Subscribe to Shadow Gurus. Bye.